The Always Ready Groin Support offers mild, moderate and firm support through its 3-figure compression strapping. The support comes with a therapeutic hot and cold gel pack, aiding with faster recovery to the groin and its surrounding muscles during injury and rehabilitation. Adjustable for optimum fit, universal in size, this support fits both the left and right leg. Ideal for those suffering from sports or occupational injuries, the support helps with pain relief and injury reoccurrence. With the Always Ready logo facing outwards, with all the straps unfastened, place the support across the left side of your body, wrap the hip strap around your waist and lower back and then fasten. Whilst holding the front part of the support, bring the 3 long straps around your thigh and fasten. Once applied, adjust the straps to your desired compression levels. Ensure the compression level is firm yet comfortable. As demonstrated with the left leg, wrap the hip strap around your waist and lower back and then fasten. Unlike the application on the left leg, the 3 fasteners will likely be fastened toward the back of the thigh. Once complete, adjust to your desired comfort levels. The hot and cold gel pack has been specifically designed to fit compatible with Always Ready supports. Before use, please be sure to check for the box and booklet for full instructions on heating and cooling the gel pack. Applying the hot and cold gel pack is quick and easy. Once at the desired temperature, place on the affected area.